Today I'm covering trends in advanced electronics assembly for automotive applications. We are seeing several trends in PCBA manufacturing for automotive with electric vehicles. For one, an internal combustion engine, or ICE, might have hundreds of moving parts, while an EV may have only a few to 2 dozen. An electric powertrain is relying much more heavily on electronics for its function. Studies have shown that there's up to 3-fold increase in the amount of electronics in EVs. Another trend, electronic control units, or ECUs, are consolidating into fewer in number. There could be as many as dozens of ECUs in a traditional architecture, but as automobiles, especially EVs, become more like computers on wheels, there's a need to reduce material cost, weight, and improve security. Telematics assemblies is another trend that is emerging, especially for EVs, as they are expected to do more over-the-air updates, or OTA, to meet customer expectations. There'll be a source of revenue for the OEMs. You can sell upgrades later, and a means to tweak and troubleshoot issues remotely. We believe some EVs are putting too much reliance on telematics and OTA as the cure-all for repair. To my earlier point, with fewer moving parts, you would think there's less that can go wrong. Let's keep in mind, the ICE has been perfected over decades. EV powertrains are relatively new, and even newer is the proliferation of electronics, much of which is being manufactured not by the traditional Tier 1 suppliers, but by PCBA manufacturers that might have little automotive experience. All these trends point towards the need for higher reliability PCBAs, which for Indium Corporation involves our Rel-ion suite of EV-specific solutions. All these assemblies have in common longer mission profiles, or duty cycles, many with higher voltage, higher density of components, higher processor speeds, and so forth, that can create new electrical, mechanical, and thermal challenges. If you'd like to hear more about my perspective on e-mobility and emerging trends in the automotive industry, follow me on LinkedIn or email me at boleary@indium.com.